The International Institute of Gastronomy, Culture, Arts and Tourism, IGCAT, believes that we can empower local communities by protecting and promoting our rich cultural and diverse food identities. Our goal is to assist local leaders by giving them access to a world network of experts from many fields, such as culture, biodiversity, art, tourism, food production, heritage, SME development, environment, health, hospitality, and so on. By building a platform of awarded regions, we can also transfer knowledge and best practices. And there is an urgent need to do so, because globalized food systems are impacting on our planet, our health, and our well-being. The idea for an award and a platform of regions was piloted in Europe and has in 3 years seen enormous success. We have enjoyed extensive national television coverage in most of the countries where we have awarded regions. We have attracted attention in international press, travel magazines, and received invitations to major forums. As a non-governmental organisation, IGCAT endeavours to build strategic partnerships with strong regionally based organisations. So in Europe, for example, we work closely with the European Travel Commission, Visit Europe, the European Commission, and the European Committee of the Regions. We are now looking to forge similar alliances in other continents in the world, and of course with UNESCO and UNWTO. But this is all words, and it's action on the ground that counts. Our awarded regions have pioneered many initiatives such as Welcome to the Farm to revitalise local farming, the local breakfast basket to make local food traditions visible in hotels, the Embassy programme to introduce food bloggers and journalists to their region's gastronomy, and the Catastrophic Meal to talk about food futures with local citizens. And already 4 projects have taken on an international profile, and that gives visibility to the regions. For example, the European Young Chef Award aimed to ensure lifelong ambassadors for good food, or the Local Food Gift Project aimed to create quality food gifts that promote the region. The Top Food Experiences aim to improve and innovate to make original creative food experiences. And the Food Film Festivals to encourage cross-marketing and promotion across participating regions.